Alright guys, here's a short video of my fun tour here in SeaWorld. It's nice to be back or be a kid again. Look at that. It's a Japanese plum. That's the constant food right there. It's a very nice sanctuary for the birds. Nice sanctuary. One day I'm gonna have this one. And then I'm gonna make it like a prayer garden. Like the butterfly sanctuary and birds sanctuary. Oasis for our birds. We are waiting 20 more minutes for our Sea Lion Adventure show, and I would like to thanks for the couple and my friends and the sponsor right there sleeping.
Sponsor, you look so tired. Look at that.
Yeah, my sponsor is tired. She's sleeping now, taking a nap.